Crypto is absolutely murdered right now. Will it ever pump again? Well, Tom Lee, the billionaire from Fundstrat that's advising Bitmine to keep buying the dip on ETH over and over, he's put millions of dollars. He's got billions in Ethereum, and he is not wavering on his Ethereum bet. He says by the end of this year, within 45 days, we could see a massive pump in Ethereum, and that would mean altcoins too, that nobody would see coming. Now, people like Raoul Paul think it's going to take a little bit longer. They're waiting until January 2026. But the writing is on the wall that the Federal Reserve is going to lower rates at some point. They're going to keep printing money. That is certain. Whether or not it's sooner or later, we know this to be true. Their entire business model is devaluing the dollar, and also Trump's helicopter money, the $2,000 checks coming from the tariff payouts, those are going to hit. He said by the end of this month, you could have trillions of dollars flooding back. And let's not forget the government shutdown, which is ending right now. It just ended. So the federal government is going back to work. And that means the Treasury Department is going back to work, and they're finally going to be able to allocate capital to pro-crypto bills and legislation and just get the wheels turning on the entire economy again. All the money that they have stored up can now be spent to pump the entire economy, which means especially crypto. And Ethereum has not broken its previous all-time high yet. We have not seen $5,000 ETH. You'll notice the main people calling for a bear market are traders who are already wrecked. They don't care if the market goes down, they'll just go short. Or it's Bitcoin maxis who are dancing on the grave of Ethereum, thinking that Bitcoin won, Ethereum lost, and now it's time for another 4-year cycle. I don't think it's that simple this time around. The 4-year cycle had a lot more to do with global liquidity than everybody thinks. Crypto's only existed in quantitative easing up until right now, quantitative tightening the last 3 years. Well, that's ending. The Fed is stopping QT again on December 1st. This is the perfect storm to pump risk-on assets, especially crypto being the riskiest asset that also pumps the hardest. So if you're selling now, good luck. But I believe that listening to the bears could be the biggest mistake of our lifetime when you realize that the light at the end of the tunnel is right around the corner.